From the last 2 months, some common myths are circulating on YouTube about it. Well, as we all know, ChatGPT is one of the famous and brilliant AI model of 2023. As OpenAI launch it, it becomes viral within few hours and complete its 1 million users in just 10 days, which is a world record. Yes, it's right. After launching of ChatGPT, it becomes viral very quick. Nowadays, the hot topic of social media is ChatGPT. Almost every person is talking about it. They use it according to their needs. But I saw some videos on YouTube and peoples are describing ChatGPT as a content writer or an earning source, which totally wrong. Well, once of all, we need to understand that ChatGPT is not a content writing tool or a machine of online earning. It's an ask engine, and it is created by the openai for the help of human being. You just have to ask any of your questions and it gives you better advice according to your command. We can solve any of our problem with the help if it. So let's jump into it and I will explain you in details. My system has detected some error in you. Yes, you. Maybe you forget to like this video. Thanks, dude. Let's start again. All right, I am on ChatGPT, and there is a search bar below. We just need to write a command according to our problem, and it will give us a solution of it. But some people show it like an online earning tool, which is a complete myth if you are thinking I might be wrong. Let's ask from ChatGPT. As you can see, I write a command how to earn $1,000 from ChatGPT, and see here is the answer. As an AI language model, I do not have the capability to earn money directly, and I am not designed to perform any financial transactions or generate income. Maybe you got the answer. So hopefully you got my point. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.